So in this VN Video Editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to record audio on VN Video Editor. So if I were to play this, there's no audio. Where it says tap to add music, go ahead and select that, and then go ahead to where it says record. Once you're on the record page right here, you can record some audio. So just by pressing the red button right here, it'll start the recording. Record audio. If that sounds good, you can go ahead and play it if you want. Record audio. It'll say it just like that. If that looks good to you, you can go ahead to the bottom right, press the check mark right here. Then all of a sudden what you've added right here is your recorded audio. So if I were to play it, record audio, it says what I just said, record audio. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but if that looks good to you, you can go ahead and do that. You can also record more audio as well. Do the exact same thing, do what you got to do this way, and basically just play around with it like that. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to record audio on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.